Now we will talk briefly about stroke occurring in the women. Women are also nowadays are equally getting affected as that of the men with strokes. But strokes are more in men, maybe because of the stress levels they have because of the jobs, and also the habits like smoking and alcohol. So relatively the stroke is less common in women, but not uncommon. So it's very important that even women should take care of their health to prevent the occurrence of the stroke, and should learn how to handle themselves if they get a stroke. Usually the strokes are common in women above the age of 40 years. It can happen even in young people, especially if there is overweight or if they are sedentary. Not only that, taking of hormones for various reasons, especially for gynecological reasons, if you take hormones, they increase the coagulation capacity of the blood, which can cause the clots occurring either in the veins or in the arteries, which will cause a stroke. So women in such situations are more prone to blood clots in the veins, which is a condition called cortical venous thrombosis. Not only this, this is common after delivery. That is also called postpartum cortical sinus venous thrombosis. Usually in such conditions, they will have severe headache, sometimes associated with fits, and also weakness of hand and leg depending on the location of the blood clot. So to prevent the occurrence of this, one has to have a healthy lifestyle, that is eating on time, sleeping on time with good sleep of 5 to 8 hours. In addition to this, one has to take good adequate fluids. So 2 to 3 liters of fluids every day is very important to reduce this risk of hypercoagulation when the hormones are being used. And if one develops a stroke, like the management of any other stroke, they have to take all the medications which are related to stroke, control the hypertension, diabetes if it is there, and also keep the thyroid under control. So in addition to this, like for any other stroke, it's important that we have a healthy lifestyle where exercise should be part of the daily regime, where an exercise of at least 5 days in a week for at least 3 kilometers per day will help them to keep the body, the cholesterol levels under control. And also this helps not only for the weight reduction, even for hypertension and diabetes, it helps to keep them under good control. So every woman should not only taking care of the health of the family members, first they should take care of the health of themselves, so that they should be able to help the others. So that should be important.